New technologies are being developed faster than ever before, yet sometimes they are created without a clear vision for their use and application. One such technology is concrete 3D printing. Computer-operated, these heavy-duty machines print large structures layer by layer. When asked their attitude toward the technology, most people were optimistic towards it. However, were unsure of its practicality and sustainability. Is there a way to educate the public on the capabilities of this technology while instilling confidence in its future? Concrete 3D printing technology is used almost entirely for housing construction. However, can other applications contribute just as meaningfully to the future of urban development? I believe so. Cities and urban spaces often lack greenery and plant life, yet more greenery consistently remains at the top of the list of desires of urban dwellers. Existing green spaces are many times placed out of the way due to spatial constraints, making accessibility difficult, or they are designed poorly and do not welcome people to stay. All things considered, this can be translated into a problem statement. Can concrete 3D printing be used to develop infrastructure for plant life in urban spaces that is inviting, accessible, and accounts for urban spatial realities? And in turn, how will the creation of this infrastructure impact public perceptions of concrete 3D printing and the future of urban development? Introducing the Urban Green Wall and Seating Unit. The Urban Green Wall and Seating Unit utilizes concrete 3D printing technology to invite nature back into the urban space. The unit features 2 long benches, 2 circular tables, plenty of vertical greenery, and a flowing water fountain. It provides a relaxing atmosphere to everyone who passes by or stops in, and would be a great place to stop for a rest when on a run, eat lunch, or meet up with friends. The unit can be placed on the street side or on open sidewalks and would be ideal on or around college campuses. It can be developed on site if space permits, or it can be prefabricated in parts. The Green Wall Seating Unit would positively impact urban beauty, individual personal health, and community morale. More importantly, this green wall unit would help pave the way to a greener future in urban development and would positively impact public perception of concrete 3D printing technology.